What's up, YouTube? Just thought I'd do an update video on all the parts I installed. Obviously, in the previous video I showed you guys the intake and the intake bridge, and then installed the EGR block plates, and then since I got the inner fender well out, I'm actually doing a fuel filter change at the moment. But there's the MBRP downpipe and to the MBRP 4-inch exhaust. And a pointer, if you guys are doing the downpipe, main thing is when you go to take the stock one out, that shield that's bolted to it, take the 3 bolts out, because if not, there's no way you're going to get it out. So just a little tip that I found and kind of watched on other YouTube videos. So one of the bolts is a pain to get to from up top, but once you get it out, it makes it so much easier. And then obviously putting the new one in is a lot easier. So there's that. Then 4 to 5-inch tip. Excuse the truck being a little dirty. We'll wash it later. So this exhaust has a muffler, but I'll probably do the muffler delete. I mean, it's loud, but not as loud as I like it to be, so I'll probably do that later. So here's the AirDog lift pump. It's the 150. The reason why I went with AirDog, just because I like their mounting bracket. I think it looks way cleaner than the Fast one, because Fast is still doing it on the side, and I think on these Duramaxes, this bracket's perfect, to put it here, and you don't see it from the vehicle, from outside the vehicle or anything. It's not an eyesore. I mean, some guys like that look, but I don't. And then I went with the XDP fuel sump with the return built into it. Just makes the install, so much cleaner. So I'll probably do a little detailed video on this and how I ran the lines and my experience with it. So I'll do that in a later video. But yeah, so I'll input some rolling clips and some exhaust clips of the exhaust and how everything sounds. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll just keep videos coming as the stuff, for the stuff I do to the truck. So thanks for watching.